How to fix sfc.dll is either not designed to run on Windows or it contains an error. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Your PC will immediately reboot and begin a deep scan. If a specific program triggers the sfc.dll error, reinstalling the program can replace the damaged DLL file and resolve the issue. Outdated Windows versions can cause compatibility issues with DLL files. Updating Windows can resolve these issues by installing the latest DLL versions and patches. System Restore can revert your system's state to a previous point in time when the sfc.dll file was not corrupt. This can fix the error without affecting personal files. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.